So yun, hello everyone. I am Dave Mercadon from BSI TNS 3A. So our topic is operating system and its platform applied for. Uh, Una is what is operating system? Operating system comparable to a digital orchestra conductor. An operating system or OS for short manages the coherence between hardware and software. Kumbaga siya yung ano, nag handle niya yung hardware at saka software. Kumbaga dalawa siya. Yun. It serves as the foundation of your computer, controlling resources, presenting an interface, and making sure everything's function properly. So yun, kaya nga ayun yung pinaka-crucial sa ano natin sa mga computers or laptops, yung operating system. So, proceed tayo since yan, papalitan ko na lang link to. Types of operating systems, yung mga common na alam natin. Pero marami pang iba, lalo na sa part ng Linux, maraming iba't ibang type. So, Windows. Windows is a popular operating system for personal computers that was created by Microsoft. So, Microsoft talaga yung company ng gumagawa ng Windows. It is a well-like option because to its intuitive UI and broad program compatibility. So yun, marami talagang operating system sa ngayon na nakalagay sa computers is Windows. Yun. Kasi nga user-friendly siya. So next is Mac OS. Apple's operating system can be your first choice if you are appreciate stability, styling, and smooth integration. It is renowned for its dependability and efficiency and powers Mac computers. So yun, ah, medyo nga lang sa part ng macOS, siya tulad ng Windows. Pero maganda yung macOS din. Lalo na kung ano ka din. Choices siya for ah, kumbaga mas pangalawa siya for development sa Linux compared sa Linux naman. Open source and extremely configurable. Yan, ibig sabihin, pwede mong mabago-bago yung laman ng operating system na yan. Yung tulad nito, pwede mong mabago to sa sarili mong halimbawa, ilalagay mo siya dito sa kaliwa, yung taskbar. Pwede. Basta pwede mo ma-customize. So, yun. Yun. Fedora, Debian, and Ubuntu. Ayun yung may mga variant din kasi yan. Tulad ng Debian, may mga anak pa rin, may mga yan, may mga sumunod pang operating distribution. So, next is Android. For naman to, mobile phones. So, operating system din siya. Linux-based din yung niya, based on customized Linux kernel. So, alam naman natin yung Android operating system. Ayun yung commonly used din. Parang pwede natin siyang ihalin tulad sa Windows. Kung sa Windows is sa mga computers or laptops, ang naman Android is more on sa kasi sila yung dalawang sikat talaga na operating system. Tapos sa iOS naman, ito, medyo nga lang may kamahalan kapag iOS yung gamit mo. So, it's highly praised for its seamless environment. It builds with other Apple products, security features, and fluid performance. So, yun nga yung security nga ng mas mataas compared sa ibang Kaya, may iba-iba kasi silang trade mark. Kumbaga, kilala sila sa ganito, yan tulad niya ng iOS or Apple for security tsaka performance. So, next is platform technologies. Sa platform technologies naman, we have virtualization. So, virtualization tulad ng VirtualBox sa ginagamit natin para halimbawa yung laptop mo, pwede ka pang magkaroon ng parang sariling ulit gusto mong Windows 7, download ka ng virtualization app or kahit VirtualBox or meron pa. Yun, dun mo ilagay yung operating system na yun. Gusto mong i-test. Next is cloud computing. Cloud platforms operating system are essential for managing and allocating. Yun. Cloud computing, cloud platforms. Yun. Baga, may access ka through tulad ng sa Linux or Linux server. Wala ka totaling sariling hardware na nandito. Kumbaga pwede kang magkaroon online gamit lang yung web browser mo. Kumbaga kasi more on terminal naman yung Linux. So next is containerization. Yung containerization, ang pinagkaiba nila sa virtualization is parang kino-compact yung isang tulad ng mga projects para pwede mo siyang mailipat sa iba't ibang machines. Kumbaga walang problema kapag nilipat mo kasi nako-containerize siya. Kasi doon siya mismo gumagana sa loob nun. Walang magiging problema. Wala kang masyadong i-configure na para mapagana mo siya sa kabila. So, embedded system naman, industrial, machinery, automobiles, and smart appliances all have embedded operating systems. Hardware components communicate and perform flawlessly. Ayan, embedded systems. Common na yan. So, real-time operating system naman is system are frequently found in robotics, embedded systems, and control systems. They are utilized in situations where response speed is crucial. So, yan. So, yun lang for operating system and its platform technologies.